Hi friends, welcome to Learn in Minute series. This is Varun and in this video we are going to look into the cloud service models. So first, before getting into the actual topic, we need to know what is cloud computing. So cloud computing is nothing but a service of providing IT resources like data storage or servers or databases, networking and software which can be done on demand. So here the service is provided on demand and based on the pay per service basis. The cloud server or the cloud service providers, they offers the cloud service in three different categories, namely the software as a service, infrastructure as a service, and the platform as a service. These are the major three categories of services provided by the cloud service providers. So let us start one by one. Number one is the software as a service. The softwares like Google Apps or YouTube or Netflix, Zoom, WebEx, Facebook, many we are using it. All these are binded in the cloud and are hosted by the cloud service providers. So what is the advantage here is the user can access these softwares directly through the web browser without installing any of these apps in the local system. So this way of providing the service to the users to access the software from the cloud is called as the software as a service, or in short we call it as SaaS. So here what we are doing is here the software is hosted on the remote server and can be accessed through internet. So the user need not worry about any software updations as the updations are made automatically. So let us move to the number two, that is the infrastructure as a service. So let us start with a basic example. Consider you are doing a small scale business with having some limited number of systems and a server. If you are getting more complex projects to work with and you feel that the necessary resources which you are already having is not enough, we need to invest more for getting more resources. So uh, instead of investing much on that, or if suppose we are not in a position to invest that much in our project, so what we could do is we could request the cloud service provider to offer the necessary resources in cloud. So without investing much on the higher end systems and the physical servers, what you could do is you could use the cloud infrastructure to continue the business process. So some of the example like mentioned here, the VMware, the Google Compute Engine, Rackspace, Amazon Web Services, Cisco Metro Cloud, are some of the examples which support this infrastructure as a service. Number three is the platform as a service. So consider the same example which we have discussed earlier. If you are in a position to still scale up your business to the next level with less investment, you can opt this platform as a service. Here the cloud service provider is going to give you the platform to work on with. It may be an operating system or it may be any environment in which you are going to develop your project. So if there is an updation in the operating system or with the software which you are working with, so you need not worry about making all these changes in your local system. So when you are going with this platform as a service, all these platforms like operating systems or softwares, anything maybe, all these are bind together and kept as a platform where you could develop your projects. So you need not worry about this operating system or any updations. So this PAAS or the platform as a service makes all the updations automatically, and you can use the platform for developing and managing the applications that you are developing. So it does all the works of an system admin, of course. So the resources can easily be scaled up or down. Anything may be done as per the organization's need. So the best example for this platform as a service is the Google App Engine, Heroku, the famous GitHub, Force.com. So all these are some of the examples which support this platform as a service. These are the three major services provided by the cloud service providers. Hope you have got the basic understanding of various cloud service models. See you soon in some other video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.